Aloha. This is going to be a short video on how to fill holes with fiberglass resin. And what I have here is your resin, a container for the resin with a stick to stir it. I have here some very small chopped fiberglass cloth. I have already taped the backside of the wingtips. I pre-marked where the holes are supposed to be when I'm done filling them so I can drill them out. Now I'm gonna pour a little bit of the resin once I mix it in the holes, then I'm gonna add the chopped fiberglass. Okay, now before I mix the hardener in the resin, I mask off the area around the holes so that when I'm finished, it'll be less cleanup, less sanding, less of a hassle. Anyway, this is just a good step to take. Okay, I added the hardener, put a little resin in, added my chopped fiberglass, used a Q-tip to push it down in the hole, and then I filled the rest of it with the mixed fiberglass resin. Now it should take, I used quite a bit of hardener, so it should take about maybe 5 minutes for that to set up. And then that will be done. I'll just need to cut the top off to get it flat to the surface, and then sand it and paint it. Anyway, that's how to fix holes using fiberglass resin. Aloha and stay safe.